We're live. We're live. Welcome back to day 9. Day 9 of going live and roasting myself all the way to 1 million add to page alignments. Most of them will be coming through connected ad accounts, but we're going to do our best on these live streams. Yeah, so if it's your first time watching, if you're new to the channel, yeah, so what we identified having been working in paid media for 12 years plus is that add to page alignment is often very bad, and it's also not something that is addressed because the full part of the funnel is often yeah, responsibilities are for different teams. So an agency running your paid media, your Meta ads, your Google ads doesn't always have the responsibility over the landing pages that have been created. In my opinion, that's what I've seen across the board, a lot of different places. So that being said, I think it's very undervalued, underrated, and yeah, to make my point even more clear is, I believe Mark Zuckerberg this week or last week, he said that Zuck said that he just doesn't see like paid media specialists or agencies basically running ads. As an advertiser, you just give your ads, you share your assets, AI generates a lot of different forms for you, and it just starts running your campaigns, your copy, your ads, your videos. A lot is going to be generated by AI, and that's why I believe we need governance. We need to know what's going on. So that's why I created Adeline, to make sure that there's proper QA, and that as an agency, I don't believe agencies will go away. I just think they're going to be reinvented. They need to reinvent themselves. Advertising is here to stay, and we're going to, if you look at the ad spend across the major platforms, those have been going up and up and up, and I think that's going to continue in the coming period. So yeah, wait, do you guys hear me? I hope my sound is good. I really hope my sound is good. It does look good, so I think it's good. Let me double check, because I don't want to stream and then find out that the sound has been off. So let me just quickly check it. Okay, let's go live. Let me turn down the music for one moment. Quickly check. Live. Turn down the music for one moment. I don't want to stream and then find out that the sound has been off. So let me just quickly check it. Yeah, we're good. Okay, let me turn this off. We're good, we're good, we're good. Great. We're good. Okay. Music is on, sounds on. We're good to go. Yeah, so let's dive right into the roast. We want to roast, right? Like roasting is that's what we want to do. That's why we're here. That's why we want you to watch. No one's watching the stream. I mean, the algorithm needs to get smarter. So what I've been doing is I've been clipping a lot of the yeah, I've been clipping a lot, making reels from the previous live streams. So that's good. Wait, let me see if I can get this. I'm doing it in OBS. Does anyone do it in OBS? I'm working in OBS. There we go. Okay. I see myself again, so that's good. There we go. Perfect. Okay, let's start roasting. Let's hit the spin. Show mode on. Let's see what we get. I'm going to redesign this one with cloth design. Wait, there we go. Oh, show mode. There we go. Something happened here. Something weird actually happened. My evaluations went down, so something happened. I'm going to let me quickly check that. I'm going to fix that. Oh, spin again. I think there was one. There was an ad. Okay, wait, here we go. We're still spinning. We're still spinning, we're still spinning, we're still spinning. Okay. Okay, there we are. Info roads is the next ad. It's a 4-minute ad. Nah, I don't want to do video. We'll do video. I just don't want to have these mega long videos, because those videos are all like they're optimizing towards completed views, so not necessarily click throughs. So I mean, ad to page alignment is always important, but the ads are not optimizing toward that in most cases if they're like that long. If it's 15 seconds or if it's shorter, then for sure, but most ads are not optimizing for that. So okay, let's see. Let's see what we're getting. In the meantime, I'm quickly checking why. Okay. Okay, I got it almost fixed. Let's check the ad roulette again. So we got an ad. Why? This was what we had, I think, 2 days ago as well. So this is an issue. Oh man, this is frustrating. Okay. Somehow we're not getting the ad shown. See if I can. We just need to spin again. I want to see if I generate the same issue, because it's not showing me the image. So basically, wait, we need show mode. It's not showing me, it's not giving me the image. So it could be a bug on our part with the roulette that it's just not showing. See? Okay, let me see what I'm getting here. Nothing in it. Okay, nothing's here. Okay, we got it. We got an Is this? Let me check if I can DoorDash. Let me check if I can. It seems like an app install. As you can see, I put everything in dark mode. Okay, let's. I mean, we can rate this. It'll take a screenshot of the Google Play Store. Google Play Store DoorDash app environment, but that's fine. Let's just do it anyway, because we want to create some momentum here. So let's see what's happening. In the meantime, I think I got this fixed now. Yeah. Meantime, I'm working on the. Oh wait, you need to see this, right? Okay. Can't change that. Can only change this one. Okay. Yeah, I mean this is so good. Like our scoring engine. If you did you see? Did I show you the wiki last time? Let me show you the wiki. You'll love it. It's so good. I'm just going to. It's now open sourced. Basically, I'm going to make it closed source. I'll make a marketing version where you see, like you'll see the concepts, but you won't see the actual articles. So I'll just show the titles. Yeah, I'll just show the titles. But this is the Adeline brain. This is how our scoring engine is getting optimized. Every roast, every connected ad account is developing this brain. So this is going to be part of the show because we want this brain to grow. This is going to be the marketing. I just don't want to open source everything because, like, yeah, I just don't want to open source everything. But we'll work on that. I'm going to work on that. But I already like that they got one-shotted like this. That's crazy. Okay, our ad report. We got our first score of the day. It's a number 5. 5 out of 10. Not bad. Not bad. We got a 5 out of 10. So is anyone in the chat? Anyone joined? No, still no one joining. Well, we're going to keep using the Rails to optimize. This is good. I don't like the layout. It's not perfect yet, but this now is a little bit out of context. But so just to make sure you can also see it, we have the ratings based on the type of ad. This is a meta ad, and it's a static link ad. So the visual match is 40% contributing towards the overall score. Message match 22.5, above the fold continuity 22.5, and then 15% for tone of voice alignment. It took the actual screenshot. So you see the visual match is not there. I mean, we cannot not agree because it's a Google Play Store landing page. Because while the brand is consistent, there are noticeable differences in brand color. So we might need to, so what I'm going to do again to optimize the scoring engine, there's so many edge cases. So that's why the work that we're doing is so important, because these edge cases are real. And this ad might still be converting well. So that's why the connected ad accounts are helping us. But Let me check here. Hey, sound is gone. What happened? All right, let me check. What happened with the sound? Our sound left the building. What happened here? Let me check. So, where's the sound? Is the sound still gone? No, it's there. We got it. We're back. We're back. You got to hear the sound, right? So, yeah, we're going to download the report. Actually, we have a PDF, and we're going to share this with DoorDash. Let's see what they think. So I'm going to send DoorDash a message with the okay. So DoorDash 5 out of 10. I think the visual match is getting undervalued because of the Play Store. So I think our scoring engine should identify that this is a app Play Store, Google Play Store, Apple Play Store, could be any of those, that it identifies that we're looking at that, and therefore the score, the visual match should not be as important. So that needs work, but we're going to feed that into the into Claude, go back and forth with it, and then see if we can optimize this. Anyone in the chat? Wow. I'm not happy with the report still. Let me check. Do we actually optimize it? Okay. The report needs a lot of optimizing. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, the report is not good. Do you guys see the report? I don't think you see it because I'm just sharing my screen. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you do. You see this report. Okay. Yeah, this is the report. Yeah, you see the report. Yeah, it's not great, but it's it was an older version we had. I optimized it. I hadn't reviewed it yet. We got now all the information. The only thing is what I'm missing is, like, I mean, the logo of course is off, but that's like minor info. What's really off is that the screenshot is not really working. So yeah, I'm going to have to also get some feedback on this. So wait, I'm going to do that right away, and then yeah, let's do that right away. Can you review this report from Add a Line? We downloaded it, the PDF. I think it needs some optimization, especially in terms of what we actually have as data, because I don't see the descriptions. I just see the scores basically of all the dimensions, and in the comparison table we're also not having any explanation of why there's a partial match or not. And furthermore, I think we need to I think we need to restyle it to match Add a Line's actual brand guidelines. And what else? Oh yeah, and the ad creative and the landing page are not fitting correctly into the report. So the landing page is cut off. On the website it's showing great, so on their results page, but here it's not looking good. Thanks. Okay. Sorry about that. We wanted to fix that right away. So, but in the meantime, I'm going to take some screenshots. Unfortunately, because the report is not good yet, but it's not a big deal. We'll do that quickly. Okay, let me. Okay, comparison. Also, some of these things are really, some of these dimensions like the headline are off because it says we want to optimize towards a app install. That's the CTA, but of course the CTA is not going to match. Oh yeah, I mean, could be install the app, but add to wish list. Where's the install? But it's also, this is probably a mobile ad. So it's just going to the Play Store and you'll just download it. So we need to take that into consideration when reviewing this ad. Let me actually share the screenshots with the oh yeah, check out the new visual image. I'm not sure if I really like it. I was playing around with it a bit, but I mean it's nice for sure, but yeah, like the previous one was just simpler. Now we added some extra dimension. Yeah, wait, and also let me quickly check. Yeah, also this title is now, it should not be on 3 rows, right? It should be on 2. Stop wasting ad spend on misaligned landing pages. Yeah. Okay, anyway. We got a sign up yesterday or 2 days ago. Not through anyone I know from my network or anything, so it's good. I think someone who watched one of our reels or one of my X replies or one of my Reddit posts or one of my live streams, maybe even watch the live stream back. Could be any of those. So, but yeah, so let's continue to the next roast. I fed Claude the info. We'll see what we get back. Okay. Roulette. As you can see, I put everything in dark mode. I like it more for the show. You agree? I mean, this is just practice. These are reps for me. My viewer count is just really low, but I think I have a really good, I know I have a really good story. I have a good mission people can tag along to. Okay, what's going on here? This is like the roulette stopped working. So why is that? Okay, let me check the logs to see why this is happening. This could be a big fix. So then we might need to I got some information here. Random endpoint. Okay, I'm going to try to fix it quickly, but let's see if I can. To give you some context, I'm getting a failed to fetch error message with the roulette. I'm on a live stream, so it's quite urgent. Can you help me fix this. Ah, maybe it's weird. It's not a code. Shit. We need to pay more. Appify is charging me money. The meta ad library wants money for rows. Okay. Let's see if we can give them that. I hit my monthly limit. That's interesting. I see. Okay, no worries. Upgrade, let's see what I can get. I don't want to pay. Monthly prepay users is $5. Whoa, annual billing. Can I just buy more? So I got... Okay, this sucks. This sucks. Okay, the roulette. We need to defer our plan for today. We're going to roast Reddit ads, and I'll see how I manage this. In the meantime, let's check if our roulette, if our number got updated. Let's see where this is incorrect also. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we get here. Yeah, this is just raw. What it's like to build this kind of data set. It's a lot of work to get it right. But yeah, I like to work. Wait, I didn't run the script. That's why. Okay. I think right away. Check the live stream. Are we still live? Yeah, we're still live. Okay. 333. Oh man. 333 is one of my lucky numbers. 333. Okay. So we're at 333 scores contributing to the largest add to page data set in the world. And we have 333. We need more connected ad accounts. Guys, we need them. Yeah, so I'm going to show you I'm going to quickly show you. In the meantime, I'll just give you a nice product overview, because I'm going to have to fix that. Decide what to do with Appify and with the meta ad library. I can also just scrape directly from the meta, or just scrape. I can connect directly to the meta ad library, so I don't need Appify, but let's see. Okay, so what we now have, but this is in beta, so it's not yet running 100%. It's running, so you can try it. If you run Google Ads, you can try it. But basically we have the ad library with different ads. All your ads will be selected. You have the landing pages where you see the ads pointing towards your landing page. But then we have asset groups, which is new. And the reason we built this is because we realized that we realized that PMax, AI Max, Demand Gen run different types of ad formats in one campaign, right? So, and the difference with Meta is that it's not all pointing towards one landing page. So also the landing page is can differ basically. Let's check light mode. Oh yeah, well, light mode is light. Okay, so you see a score here, and then we can. This is in beta, so it's not all working perfectly yet, but you can see the details. So you see like search is scoring a 7.5. Scored most of the 21 assets, covers 100% of the asset group spend. So it just scores different pairs. So what we did is we opened Pandora's box. Because yeah, everyone knows that PMax, AI Max, you're just handing everything over to Google, right? What I just said earlier in the live stream, what sucks that that's what he also that's what the industry is moving towards. The algorithm is going to become so good. Creating ads is not, you're not going to have leverage because the tooling is going to be so good. So probably making it more human will be one of the things, but even that is going to be AI generated, right? So yeah, I just think this is what you want. So you see here, like this is an example of where we see like search, display, and then you see the worst pairs. You can see worst pairs, worst landing page pairs. Discovering Gmail shopping, and you see like every format scoring against the landing page. You see which headlines are underperforming on the different channels. And then you see the landing pages that are not getting the are not scoring at all. Which ones you can really assess and take action on. So it opens the black box, and that's what we're trying to do with Adeline. So yeah, it's going to be interesting to see how this works out. So if you want to try it out, you can. We need beta testers for this, so that's important. So if you want to try this out, just let me know. Yeah. Wait, why is my... Yeah, that's good. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you. But we're still optimizing it, so we're not done yet with it. Let's see. Let's go forward Reddit, right? So let's grab an ad. Is this an ad? You guys still see my screen? Turn this off. There we go. Reddit. Is this an ad? No, this is not an ad. All right, let's promote each other. Let's always promote each other. I'm always in for that. Okay. We already roasted that one actually one time. So let's see, Clavio. Audit any website tracking in 60 seconds. Okay. And why is this? Can I get the actual... Oh. I can't get the actual video. Weglot, this is a good one. Let's try this one. Let's just grab the entire screenshot here with the headline static image. We got it. Then we're going to go to add a line. We'll start the analysis. Then we're going to go hit Reddit. We're going to paste the screenshot. Let me grab it here. Paste the screenshot. And then we're going to hit continue. Now we're going to go back to Reddit and we're going to grab the landing page. Sorry for the click. Let's just copy the entire thing. Might be dynamic, you never know. Doesn't seem like it though. Okay. It's always interesting to see like how, I mean, as a paid media specialist, I've run a lot of Meta, Google, Reddit, TikTok, LinkedIn ads, programmatic, TV360, ran ads across all these platforms. But I like to see yeah, I just like to see where we're going actually. Fuck. It's late here. It's late. So we were looking at the ad. I don't know. Well, I like to see ad page alignments. That's for sure. Because those are so off. And I think it's one of the easiest things we can address. And if you create a robust scoring engine, we're building it in public. Everyone can see us do it. We're roasting ads. I don't want to pay like, I mean, I have so many subscriptions now. I'm getting a third child. I don't want to pay thousands of dollars or euros on subscriptions. So I'm trying to see if there's another way. Here we go. Okay, so we got a 5. This is the landing page. Mobile and desktop are switched around. That happens sometimes. Scored on desktop view, scored on mobile view. Okay, this works most of the time. Sometimes there's some issue with that. I need to find out why. But yeah. So if I look at the overview, the visual man, I mean, we should have scored it beforehand. That's the entire fun part. Fortunately, this is day 8, and we're not at day 365. Because at 365, I want to have 1 million. I want to see if we really can compound. We can compound this into a real engine, real business. So anyway, that's enough about that. So, okay, if we look at the ad and the landing page, be the answer. So, I mean, the branding, the logos are matching. Be the answer in every language, the easy ways to translate. Get found by AI search worldwide. So it's totally different messaging. That's for sure. The messaging is totally different. The visual is different. It's totally different. So there's no match there. Then we have message match, which is 4 out of 10. We're going to send this one over to Weglot. So now we don't have a lot of people watching, but in the future we will. So I'm just going to make this a practice. I'm going to find them on X. And I'm going to tag them and share them this report. The link, because the link looks better now. We're fixing the report, but I'm sharing the link. So the visual match is 3.5, message match 4. Wait, my mouse. I agree. Message match, like, it's totally AI search. We're not talking. That's not what we're looking at. I mean, I can understand it's a good angle. It's a good message. It's a good hook. It's a good way to get It's something that's relevant for sure. So I agree with that 100%. But I just don't think we need to I just don't see the match. The match is not there. So this is like why our product needs to evolve into building dynamic landing pages, so that you just automatically create landing pages dynamically for across platform. So that's also why Meta or Google cannot copy us, because they can't do it cross platform. We can do it cross platform. So we can spin it up cross platform, see that what needs to be done per platform, but also cross platform. So yeah, and then tone of voice is 7. That's similar, right? I mean, the fonts are similar. This is some pink, but the message is totally different. So visual match 3.5 is even lower than the message. Both use a modern graphic style, layout, and specific visual elements create a noticeable temperature drop. Wait, can I create a link? Why am I not signed in? I want to sign in. Okay. This needs work because the aspect of claims about AI won't recommend your site if it's not my record online, but the landing page primary headline focus on the easiest way to translate a website, which is broader value proposition. But is it actually translated on the website? Oh yeah. Translate your website with AI. But get it found with AI search is something different. It's found by AI is not echoed on the landing page, right? Wait, I'm going to do something. This is fine. Okay. This needs work. Wait, I'm going to do one thing. No, let's not do it. Okay, wait. Crazy. It's late. So the above the fold continuity is a 5. AI search, discover, looting, and meta link are confirmed above the fold on language on the landing page. However, the easiest way to translate web is more generic statement. Than... I need to check the landing page. Can I? Let's just visit it quickly. Detection. No, but no one will suspect AI, but that's fine. But it's something else. It's something different than be the answer and everything gets found by AI search worldwide. Ah, okay. I get it. Yeah. Okay. Then there's some Spanish. Why would you do... okay, to show... Yeah, I got it. Okay. Yeah, so it's there, but it's hidden a bit. I think the message match is quite harsh above the fold. But it's true. But it might be a little harsh. So let me... Do I have the link here? We're definitely going to spam Waglot. Let me check the report. So the above the fold continuity is there, 5.5. I think it's could be higher. But it would indeed be better. But I think that the rating is quite harsh. I would give it a 7 or something, or 6. Tone of voice alignment is a strong match because both the ad and language maintain a professional tone of voice. Okay. Okay, shall we... Are we going to send this to Waglot? Are we going to... Let's do that. Why not? Cloud Code weekly limits are increasing 50% now. Wow. Okay, that's good. Pro Max and Team. Okay. I can maybe go back to a lower tier then. No, just kidding. Okay. We need to go to Wag a lot. Is Waglot? Yeah, Waglot's here. Let's tag them. Okay, we're going to... Okay, we're going to send them a message. Okay. Let's see. We're going to send them a message. Live on stream, we're going to send Waglot a message to show them that their ads are not aligned. And of course, they're going to read it, they're going to retweet it, and then they're going to start using ad align, and they're going to suggest their agency to use ad align. That's what's going to happen. That's what we need. Okay, let me... Where is it? Okay, I'm going to tweet it. Got it. Hey, we ran your latest ad through Adeline to test ad to page alignment. Related Reddit ad through Adeline to test to check what you scored a... Okay. Link to the link to not to the roast, link to the report in the comments. Okay, let's see. I mean, I've never done it like this. So we're just going to post this, and then we're going to, I mean, it's probably not going to do anything, but let's see. Oh, wait, that's not the full report. We don't. Okay, let me check. Full report. Wow, that was crazy. That was crazy. Full report. Oh, wait, I need to tag them again. Okay, let's see if this does something. Quite funny. Let's see if this is going to help. We did it live on stream, so that was fun. Yeah, let's see. Okay. How long are we in live now? What is the... Can I see that somewhere? My OBS is a mess because I just can't... It's... You get so many extra screens when you start like restreaming it. Let's see. Let me check. How long are we streaming for? Almost 1 hour. Yo, man, the background looks horrible. My setting, the setting where we're in is not that great. But the reason is that I'm in a I'm in a we have an Airbnb in our we have a second house at home. Oh, it's getting messy now because you're seeing my screen. I have a second house at home where yeah, so that's where my office is, and there's like more space, but it's a additional space basically where my office is, but we can also rent that out. So we have it on Airbnb. My wife does that, and she rents it out, and it's rented out now. And so she has a co-working space in Zeist in the Netherlands, which is quite cool. Where I'm working now, so where I'm sitting, but it's not my official office, so I just set something up here. And yeah, it's late here, but yeah, if you're on a mission, you need to do stuff. So okay, I think we're going to keep it simple this stream. We scored 2. I'm going to already take the screenshots though, because I want them. I want to also analyze this ad. So I'm going to do that here live on stream and get the comparison table. There we go. Would be cool if they start using. Like, it would be cool if we get some nice responses from companies where we analyze their ads. And the fun part is like the ads are. It's not something that I like. There's no reason that we could not do it. So because the ads are in the ad libraries, they're visible. There's nothing they can hide in that regard. As far as I know, I think for most platforms, it's all open. It's out in the open, and we can can access them. I mean, I've done a lot of analysis for a lot of competitors in the past, and I just used, for instance, the meta ad library to go through them and work on that. So anyway, yeah, wait, let's see. Does this help? No, this is... Okay. Yeah, well, I think this was it for today. Let me first feed this into... Let me feed this into to Claude, and let's get some feedback. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for, if you're watching it back, because I don't have any viewers at the moment. I think I'm low on views. Doesn't matter. Let me see. One watching. So yeah, if you're watching and you're happy that you watched all the way till here, watched it back. For me, it's fine to do these because I'm going to use them for reels also, to create reels. So for me, it's fine. I don't really care. But yeah. Thanks for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another stream. Tomorrow is a public holiday here.